What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miguel, aka Torrent. Today we are unboxing the Galaxy Flip 6. Taking a look at the first flip phone. I haven't had a flip phone in forever, so we're going to take a look at what this looks like, if it's any good. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let's the mic over here. All right, so let's open this up. So far the package looks pretty simple. Nothing special about it. We've got these tabs here at the top, so let's pull that off. Let's go. Let's see first impression. Oh, that just opens up. Wow. So first impressions, nice and smooth. Is that a? I don't know what that is. Oh my God, I'm gonna break it. All right, so we got this back. Oh, that was pretty satisfying, and that's pretty satisfying. All right, interesting. It's giving me Motorola vibes. Oh, it already looks bent over here. I don't even know how to turn it on. Wonder if it has power. All right, let's get some power over here. 1 second. Let's see. Some USB-C here. All right, let's see what else comes in the box. All right, we have paperwork and USB-C charger adapter. Fun times. I don't know why. Did it charge that quickly? Put this back. Let's take a look. Can it not turn on while it's charging? No. Here we go. So I'm not going to get into setting this up too much. This is really just an unboxing and first impressions of this phone. So let me get some stats on this phone here. So let's give you some skip. Let's go with dark mode because we like it. Take a look at the screen. Well, all right. So what are my first impressions with this? I can't help what the word that comes to mind is gimmicky. That's it. I don't like it. I don't like the device. I feel like it's very fragile. I feel like there's not enough for me to grab. It's very sleek, very slippery here in the hand. I don't know how, like this, when it's closed, it feels better. I'll tell you that right much. It feels better when it's closed. As soon as I open it, but it's still slippery. How do you put a case on this? I don't like the fact that, I don't know if you guys could see, but as soon as I bent this right out of the box, when I didn't come out of the box, this was, I don't know if you could see that, maybe. It has to be a certain, oh, right there. Do you see that? See that right there? So as soon as it came out of the box, it didn't have it. As soon as I bent, it got this bent right here. The screen is plastic. That's what it feels like. It just feels like complete and utter plastic. So this phone comes in about $1,000. It runs Android 14, 12 gigs of RAM on it. I don't know, CPU core. I don't like it, man. I would not spend $1,000 on this phone. I would rather spend $1,500 on an iPhone and spend $1,000 on this phone. I apologize, Samsung. I'm trying to like your product here, or I believe it's Samsung. Hopefully it's Samsung Galaxy. I'm really trying to like your product here, but it's not doing it for me. I get it. I think this plays on more of nostalgia. I think people miss their flip phones. I think people miss putting them in the pocket, something so thin. But again, the quality of the screen is just horrible. It's not there. It's very thin. I wouldn't get over here. I wouldn't watch anything on it. I have to wait. There's somebody here. Thank you. You too. Even the video camera, again, I wouldn't even watch a video on this. This is just way too thin and just, it does not do it for me. But I could also be an Apple fanboy, so I don't know. So this gets up for me. I wouldn't spend $1,000. I don't think you should spend $1,000 on this. I think there's better options to spend $1,000 or save up a little bit more to actually buy a better class phone than this. So anyway, this was my unboxing. This was my review. This is going back. I purchased this with my own funds for the sake of the channel. It was not sent to me, but all right, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. You can subscribe. If you like my ramblingness of the videos, a little different than everybody else, I appreciate it. Take care, guys.